Music licensing reimagined.
Smaller than a Cheerio. This the company you keep. Stay woke. Please don't get caught sleep. End up sowing what you read. Know your worth and don't sell cheap. The ghost inside of me. Can't take it out of me. No matter where I've been, start where I'm meant to be. I be shining perfect time and check your watch. And I know who I am. I am no longer lost. I got tired of walking around with a mask on, smiling but my heart singing sad songs. Yeah, I was living for myself. I was dead wrong till I got the call, no cell phone. I got tired of walking around with a mask on, smiling but my heart singing sad songs. Yeah.
Hey, so we came out here to have a little lunch. We're out here on the marina. We'll eat our little lunchy. It's hot as shit. It's 89 and it's humid. Just landed not too long ago. Well, actually not just landed, but I just got into the hotel and checked in and everything. I haven't even changed my clothes yet, but I will be going to change my clothes after this. I had to get another one of these drinks because I didn't finish explaining this to you, but when I got here, it was a bar downstairs. I ordered this. This little boy, this little baby right here of mine, he was like moving around and doing all this stuff. Made me drop the whole drink. I didn't even drink the shit. So I was like, let me get something to eat, and then I'm gonna drink this drink now. This is called, what is it called? Stop, Miami Vice. So yeah, we're about to have a little lunch, and then I'm gonna go in and get ready. Let me show you the marina. I showed you a little bit, but I'm about to go walking around this marina. This is where everything is at. This is downtown. Everything is right here. All the clubs right here. As soon as you get all the way out of here, all the way down at the end of this walkway right here that I'm showing you, and that's where the clubs are at. I don't know if I'll be going to those clubs. I went to Modelo, whatever it's called. That's up here. Modelo, something like that. It's like one of their like upscale clubs or whatever. I went there last time. I have different plans this time, but I'm about to have some lunch. Efren, what are you doing? Stop. He is a terrorist.
You talking to the real me, talking to you talking to the real me, talking to the real me. Made in his image, I'm a young
Artlist.io.
Hey, what's up? All right, so we made it. I just want to give you a quick little room tour. This shit has been horrible already. Yeah, I'm already fucking irritated. For one, well, you know what? Let's give a little room tour. Nothing special, but anyway, I got here and I asked for accommodations for my son, basically, because this is a very, 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 very big place. And then they have like a lot of steps. It almost reminds you of baby like Serotonin, Greece, because it has a lot of steps and has a lot of different buildings. Anyhow, I asked them for accommodations since I have a baby and a stroller and all that stuff. And they were like, okay. So they upgraded me to a junior suite with a marina view. Where's the fucking marina at? Not here. You could see it if I was like on the upper floor or whatever. But anyway, this right here, this is this is the balcony or whatever, right? And then this is the pool area. I'm gonna take you guys out to the pool area. The room, everything is like pretty basic. I chose this one. This is Tesoro Los Cabos. I chose this one because it's right on the marina. So everything is right out here at walking distance. Last time I stayed at the Hacienda Del Mar. That one's way farther away. You got to get a ride to everything. This time I say, you know what? I want to get somewhere that's close to the marina where I'm not just like got to get all these rides, taxi cabs, or all this stuff. So I chose this one. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, it's pretty basic. I just wanted to come on a quick little trip, you know, and get ready for fall, because you know fall semester is starting, and so you know me, I need to reset and get ready for what's to come, work. Yeah, but get out of there. As you see, Efren, this little boy, he about to get in trouble. Okay, so they have a little thing, you know, move. Excuse me, your face, move. Okay, so they have a little refrigerator with stuff, basically. Of course, they're going to charge you up the yin yang to drink something or have something out of here. That's whatever. This is the bed area and just a little couch area. Now I gotta figure out the TV. Oh, this is my... Oh, let me tell you what. Let me show you something real quick. That was cute. Stop! Get out of here! What is wrong with you? Oh, this little boy's gonna really get hurt. Let me show you what he fucking did. I ordered a drink down there at the fucking bar. Let me show you what he did. He backed up in this motherfucking, backed up in this goddamn, this little controller. It made me waste the fucking drink as soon as I got the motherfucker, when I tell you. I was so fucking mad. I was like, And then here comes the lady, come on. Oh, she made a mess. Oh, we can buy you a drink. Girl, I don't need no drink, and I don't want your, all this, your thing. What's that called? Because they be hounding you about timeshares, but I digress.
Yeah, I was living for myself. I was dead wrong till I got the call, no cell phone. I got tired of walking around with a mask on, smiling but my heart singing sad songs. Yeah.